Right, grade 10, good day. Okay, I assume that you all finished the activity 14.9, just the posting from the 4 wages journals. And this is what your work should look like now. Mine is now all in red, so we can easily see what we owe to who, to what fund. Okay, so if you look at your pension fund, you will see now that is my total amount due to the pension fund, to UIF, to my medical aid, to SARS, and of course to my employees. That's what I owe them. So I'm going to go to the cash payments journal and pay all these people. Now, very important for you to remember that your wage earners, your employees that earn wages, they want to be paid weekly. That's why we have a wages journal weekly. But if you pay your funds, it's not going to make sense to do it 4 times a month. You just pay that right at the end of the month. But the workers must be paid weekly. So my first document, I give it to you, number 30, the first time that I pay my workers, and that's not new to you. We pay them 2670. We've got a column for creditors for wages, 2670. And on the 13th, the 20th, and the 27th, we pay weekly. We pay these employees. And that one is 2,600, 2310, 2619, 2600, 2310, and 2619. Right, so my creditors for wages are now paid, and I will post later. Right, now I go to my funds. I owe my pension fund 1731, and that's what I'm going to pay them. So we are now, they give you the document numbers, of course. This is 76, 94, 116, and 130. And the reason why they don't follow, this is not a real cash payments journal. Okay, there are many things in between. So that's just how the document numbers work. So on the very last day of the month, we need to pay our funds. So we pay our pension funds, and I think that was a GP pension fund, 1731. Where do we get the amount? There's the amount, 1731, and 1731, gentlemen, I made a mistake here with the columns, so I'm just going to use that one, 1731, and I'm just going to write pension fund. And remember, just pension fund, not the name of the account, and the account's name is pension fund. And that's 1731, and that is B3 we're going to post just now. Okay, so what do we owe the UIF? 144, and that's what we're paying. UIF, that's 132. I think there was the 131. We pay the medical one first, but doesn't really matter. 144, and that's 144, and that's the UIF. Right, then there was 131. Just swap those two. It was the Keep Fit medical aid. Okay, write out the name. We owe them 168 rand, 168 rand, and it's medical aid, just the name of the account. And then the last one was 133. We're paying SARS, the South African Revenue Services. The amount that we owe them is 2754, and it's 2754 and 2754, and that is SARS. How do we write that? SARS, pay as you earn. Let's get the totals quickly. 14,996 and 10199, and this one you're not going to need. This one 4797. Right, let's post. Now we all know what to do with the bank column. We credit the bank account 2016 January the 31st total. Yes, you are right. Payments from the cash payments journal 14996. Now this 14996 consists of that one and that one, and that's why for the double entry principle these must be debited. But there's another reason. Why do we debit creditors for wages? We debit creditors for wages because creditors for wages is my creditor, and as a liability now decreases at the end of the month. January the 31st we pay them. My liability decreases on the debit side 10199, and you add up and you finish that account. I'm not going to do that now because it's going to make the video too long. We do the same with a pension fund. What did we pay? 1731. Why do we debit this? Because it's a liability that decreases, and it decreases on the debit side, and it's 1731 bank, and it's cash payments journal. And make sure that you add up and close off that account nicely. And in my pension, yeah, I've already done the B3. That is B, I don't know what, B8 or something. So make sure that you fill in your folio numbers. Right, we're going to do the same with the UIF. You're going to write in all the dates. I'm not going to do that. I don't have the time for that now. It makes the video too long. And there's bank 168. Total up nicely so that you've got the totals there. And this one is bank with CPJ, and it's 2754. Gentlemen, I hope that makes sense to you. Please finish this nicely. Make this one exactly how you want it to look. Use your highlighters. Go over it again and make sure that you understand this. It's so important. And tomorrow we will carry on with some more work. Thank you, grade 10.